Hello and welcome to our channel. In the last video of the data visualization series, there was a detailed explanation of the theory behind line graph. In this video, we'll learn how to actually plot line graphs using matplotlib. We'll be coding in Python and I'm using Jupyter Notebook for this. So the basic requirement for plotting any graph in Python is matplotlib. It is a 2D plotting library. So we'll be importing matplotlib along with NumPy and pandas. To begin with, we'll plot a simple graph for y is equal to x. So we'll declare our x variable as a NumPy array with numbers ranging from 1 to 10, and we will plot the line graph for y is equal to x. plt.plot will plot the values of parameters passed to it. In this case, they are x and y, and plt.show will show the graph to the console. So this is the output. We see that in the plot we have a single line which maps y to x, and the relation is y is equal to x. So now we'll see how to plot a line graph for the variables with the help of a dataset. I'm using the weather dataset which I imported from Kaggle, in which the maximum, minimum and average temperature has been recorded for about 100 days, which we'll be plotting using a line graph. So first we'll be printing the first 5 rows of the dataset. Then we'll assign the column days to x variable and maximum temperature to the y variable and plot the graph. This is the output. By doing this, we can easily notice the variations of maximum temperature over the given days. We can easily change the color of our line by just adding color equals, for example, green. So here we can see that the color of our line has changed. For a more detailed visual representation of our graph, we can add various attributes such as x label, y label to name the x and y axis respectively, plt.title for our graph. And as you can see, this graph is more self-explanatory compared to the first one. Matplotlib also enables us to plot 2 or more lines on the same plot. This helps us to visualize the variations of 2 variables simultaneously. So for this, we'll fix the x-axis as days for both the lines. And then we'll define y1 as max temperature and y2 as minimum temperature. And we'll plot both y1 and y2 with respect to x. So this is the output. We can also add labels to it, like I have added here, for y1 that is max and for y2 that is minimum. And we can use the plt.legend function, which will give us a small rectangular box which gives the information about the type of line that we are plotting. So as we're coming to the end of this coding session, I have a question for you. Can you plot a line graph for y is equal to x square using all the code lines that we just saw in the video? The solution to this is given right here. So this is all about the code regarding line graph. Thank you for watching the video.